Hi again. It's mommy. Boy, we didn't want to share something with you, about my friend. You know, call it me tell you. My friend find one man. She find one man, Jeez. Lord of his mercy. The man sweet, you see? The man sweet, so tell. Boy, and girls, ladies, and gents, gentlemen. When me say the man sweet, the man brown, and I'm a millionaire. And I did working at the army at one point. The man good, you see. But from what she had tell me, them not put it on her properly. Them not put it on her properly. So me did I ask her why the man not put it on her properly. She said she don't know. She don't know. She said it not work properly like how she want it to work. Can't really tell her how to do it, because our mommy put it on it different, you know. It just touch you like you be like you there power one next dimension. Mommy just that's how she gone. But my friend now, the things that she know what she a do. That's why. But yeah, the man a one nice car. Him drive one Benz. Him tall. When me say the man handsome and him fingernail them clean. What? Appear grooming. Appear grooming. Him take care of himself, you see? Those are my friend are gone right now. Now man are gone to anytime him come around, me check him out. And so when mommy check out man, him look good. Mommy not check out the man. Mommy not joke with man. I'm happy for her. So me just did want to share with you. I'm want to tell you to make sure. So the man the way you get, them look good. But for the woman them, yeah. Say, she did tell me she find them up a sweet and nice street. That's how she find him. On the parish, they sweet and nice. Boy, me I forgot this one go find one man a sweet and nice parish too. Yeah, because no son, I want one man will have clean nails. I have money. Mm-hmm. You know? We just never find one outfit though. I mean I go up there so. Mm-hmm. Alright, we just didn't want to share that, yeah? Okay. And nobody tell her neither. Just a share with Uno. Because Uno are my peoples. Yes, my peoples. Mm-hmm.